Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can increase your streaming quality significantly. It is super simple guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced technical skills to pull this off. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do guys is launch Discord of course and access your account or log into your account. And what you want to do is click on that gear icon in the bottom left corner to access your account's user settings. Inside your user settings, take a look at that panel view to the left and scroll down a bit till you get to the app settings, and below the app settings select voice and video. Here guys, make sure that you switch from voice here at the top to video, and what you want to do here in your video settings is scroll down a bit till you get to the advanced section at the bottom. And all you basically need to do guys is make sure that you disable these two options or features here, OpenH264 video codec, as well as disable the hardware acceleration, because if both of them are enabled, you may encounter performance and quality issues like lagging, for instance, while streaming your favorite gaming sessions on Discord. So doing this might help you significantly and increase your streaming's quality. I have tested it myself guys, it works, it does work. So this trick has been out there for quite a long time and it does still work even in 2025. So guys, that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.